Welcome back to the channel. Josh, started raingutterbusiness.com. We were going through some things that I kind of struggled with early on in business, trying to figure out how to hang rain gutters. So just trying to share that information with you guys. And one of those items that makes our lives a lot easier today are these ladder stabilizers. And when I was younger, I built like a super sketchy version of one of these, not even knowing they existed. So just want to make your guys' life a little easier. This is the best one that I've found so far. It's a Ladder Max ladder stabilizer. So this just goes right on the top of your extension ladder. It holds you out away from the wall or up on the roof, just so that way you can get your gutter in right here if you're up on the roof, or you're out parallel with the gutter if it's in on the wall, as long as your eave's not too big. They have padded ends. They just pin onto the ladders with a pin system. These steps are angled so they only fit on the ladder the right way, which is nice. And they work really good. So I wanted to save you guys some time trying to find the best one. This is it. So if you guys are in need of one of these things, we'll put a link in the comments below. And they're worth the investment. So we'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe. Have a good one. Have a good one. What?